All right, so what can you expect after you hire a Boston car accident? So a lot of times people are confused. What does a car accident lawyer do for me? Do I need to hire a car accident lawyer to represent me after my car accident case? Those are typical questions you may be thinking about as you consider your next moves following your car accident. Car accident attorney. I want to give to you a explanation of what you can expect after you hire a car accident attorney. This is not legal advice. I can't cover every single detail about the process of what an attorney does after being hired for a car accident case, but I can give you some general details that you should know about so you can make good decisions with your case. I believe the more you know about the process, the better educated you are, the better decisions starting out, you can make. Right? You hire the lawyer, you sign a contingent fee agreement, which is a contract. It's a contract that says the attorney is going to represent you for this car accident case, and it's going to spell out the services that will be rendered. It'll spell out the percentage, the contingency fee, the percentage of the fee that the attorney is going to get paid on the eventual recovery. So after the paperwork is signed, you're also going to sign a medical authorization form and possibly some other various forms for the attorney's office. Then the attorney, and if the attorney has staff, the staff gets involved with working on the case. For first step, starting out, or setting out letters of representation, sending out a letter of representation to your car insurance company, to the other driver's insurance company. Then a few weeks later, the attorney's office will receive a letter from the insurance companies acknowledging representation for you. Then the attorney's office will work on securing evidence, will collect photographs, will start requesting your medical records, your medical bills. If you took an ambulance, the ambulance record, an ambulance bill will be requested by the attorney's office. The attorney's office is coordinating and collaborating with your medical providers to understand the treatment that you're receiving, so they are fully aware of what treatment you're getting. The attorney and or the attorney's office will be calling you periodically, should be calling you at least monthly to check in on your status and see how you're doing. The attorney will request any proof of lost wages. If you lost time from work from the accident, you're claiming lost wages, then the attorney needs to get a note from your doctor that takes you out of work, as well as a signed letter from your employer verifying that you were out of work. So then fast forward to the point where your medical treatment finishes, then the attorney's office will get all of the remaining medical records and medical bills that they need, put everything together, all the evidence, the photos, lost wages, all of that, and put that into what's called a demand package. The demand package is sent to the at-fault insurance company, right? For the insurance company that insures the at-fault driver who injured you, caused your car accident. Then that demand package, once received, will be evaluated by the insurance company, and then they will make an offer. They usually takes them 2, 3, 4 weeks, could be more if they need more information to make you an offer or to make your attorney the first initial offer. But that's when negotiations begin. So generally, roughly 30 days after the at-fault insurance company receives from the attorney's office the demand package, then an offer is made. Then negotiations start. So there's one of two outcomes once negotiations begin. The first possible outcome is the case will eventually settle. The attorney will negotiate back and forth with the insurance adjuster to try to get you a settlement. If that doesn't work, if the insurance company isn't reasonable, then a lawsuit needs to be filed. And that's a completely different legal process. So there's two outcomes after the demand is sent. The case is going to settle or a lawsuit will be filed. So there's a lot involved in the lawsuit process. What I just gave you was basically the process, the claims process in a nutshell. It's a whole lot more to it, but that's the general landscape that you should know about. I believe that the more you know, the better decisions that you can make, as I discussed. Here to answer any questions you have, drop them in the comments. Please share the video and make sure you call early before it's too late.